Hey, welcome to another video. In this video I want to show you what you can do to protect your nice car tires when you have to park your car for an extensive period outside in the hot blazing summer sun. Los kids! Yeah, and I unfortunately have been away for a while, but now I'm back. Situation is just became a father. It's fantastic. I'm super busy and yeah, I don't have a lot of time to drive the car anywhere. On top of it, I got sick for a bit. Now I'm luckily doing better. But what do you do like me in the summer when you have really hot sun burning constantly on your car and your car is parked, yeah, maybe your car is also like this, is outside all the time. I don't have a garage. This UV rays keeps on burning on your tires, and is there something you can do to make sure that yeah, such nice tires, Michelin tires, Pirelli tires, Goodyear tires, Continental, whatever tires you have, that you can protect them better? So I want to show you a trick that I use. It's actually very simple, and it'll not only make your tires look great, but also protect them from the burning sun, and that'll prevent aging and cracking premature. Yeah, and how do I protect my tires when they're parked outside in the blazing sun for an extended period? Well, I put a bit of nice tire shine, yeah, sehr schön, all over the tires, just like that. It doesn't need to be an expensive product, but it can also be a cheaper product. As long as it has nice ingredients in there, like silicones and things that get into the tire and that make it look nice and black, it'll dry out very nice in the tire, and it'll create a very nice, yeah, you can even put a bit on the top, doesn't really matter, see, because you're going to be parking it for an extended period of time. And then your car, oh, that smells nice. And your car, your tires will be protected in the sun. I mean, think of it like that. When you go in the summer outside, you put sunscreen on your hands, right? Well, to protect yourself from the UV. The same thing you can do with your tires. I really like these Michelin Primacy tires. Really nice tires. And now I know that if I park them for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, the tires are protected and I don't need to worry about it. I can just spray it on. Here, like this, see? I go to the tire and you can just spray it on, up. Yeah. Sehr schön. One tire done, and I can just walk away, and that's all there's to it. I mean, this is a very cheap tire spray that you can use a Turtle Wax, a Zonax, a Meguiar's, whatever you like the most, and then you know you've done the best for your tires while your car stands parked outside in the hot sun for an extended period of time. Let me know where you're from, if you're from an area where you have a lot of blazing hot sun. Do you live in the Balkans, and or you live in the US? Do you also have a car like this, the Bolt EV, the Ampere, or any other electric car with nice tires? Yeah, has it happened that your tire started cracking prematurely because of the UV? Let me know what tips you use if you don't have a garage and you need to park it outside. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. I wish you a fantastic summer with super tolle Reifen and lots of great memories. See you in the next video. Auf Wiedersehen.